So the last one here at home for the regular season, of course, that we are going to see the playoffs. How is the team doing, and how are you preparing this match, seeing that maybe there will be some important changes in the first 15?
Yeah, look, it's for us, we've got one eye on the playoffs now. We're looking forward to playing back at home. It seems like it's been a long time, so I'm sure that'll bring a lot of energy to the group. But yeah, we're still looking to manage our squad. We've got a lot of boys coming back from injury, but also a lot of guys that have played a lot of minutes through the course of the season. So we're aware of that. We want to make sure that they are nice and fresh and ready to go for a couple of big playoff games. So yeah, soon have to rotate the squad this week to freshen them up, and certainly give some boys an opportunity this week to push their case forward for the playoffs.
What are the priorities that you and the coaching staff, of course, have given to the team from now until the playoffs?
Just really trying to improve parts of our game, being more accurate for longer periods of time. Playoff games are normally won with the team that makes the least errors and the most discipline. So we're working hard on that part of our game, make sure that our breakdown area is really accurate, making good decisions there and minimising opportunities for teams to get inside our half. So just trying to improve parts of our game.
A word about the opponent. We're going to see Badia again, of course, in this last matches of the season. Of course, nobody has really anything to ask from their performance. So what do you expect?
Look, I think they've got a lot to play for. They're I guess, fighting out with a couple of other teams. I think they're a bit of a buffer there, but potentially they're still mathematically in danger of that sort of play-out sort of situation. So they're going to come here with plenty to play for. They certainly challenged us in round one in Badia, just after Christmas. So certainly we're aware of that, the threat that they'll bring, and they'll bring a lot of energy. So we'll have to make sure that we start really well.